If there's one thing that you should be adding to your list as you prepare for summer, it's a pool alarm. For pool owners, having a pool alarm is an easy and effective way of keeping children and pets from being by the pool unattended or falling in. It can also help prevent unwanted pool hoppers from your premises. No matter how high-tech, remember pool alarms are meant to be supplemental safety devices. In this video, we will discuss the top 5 pool alarms on the market. We have done our research and this list reflects our opinion. We have listed products based on quality, durability, price, features, consumer feedback, and more. Our goal is to create a proper shopping guide so that our viewers can make the best choice. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description box below. So without further ado, let's dive into the video. Number 1. Lifebuoy Pool Alarm System. If you're looking for a pool alarm worth the splurge, Lifebuoy's Cone system is the best pool alarm for the job. It has smart features, plus advanced sensors to keep your family safe. The Cone system comes with a floating pool unit and a home unit. This pool alarm can connect with your Alexa or Google Assistant and is controlled via an app on your smartphone, so you can keep an eye on your pool safety no matter where you are. You can set the level of sensitivity that you'd like the in-pool unit to detect, which comes in handy when there are strong winds or rain, but you don't want to venture outside to adjust the alarm manually. It covers an area about the size of a typical residential swimming pool, 20 feet by 40 feet, though its use isn't limited to a standard pool. Number 2. Teco S189 Ultra Slim Safe Pool Alarm. For the best pool alarm that doesn't break the bank, we've chosen the Teco S189 Ultra Slim Safe Pool Alarm because not only is it affordable, it's weather resistant and has a loud alarm. The Teco 189 Ultra Slim is not a standard entry alarm, one that activates when something or someone has fallen into the pool. It is a door alarm. It's designed to sound an alarm when a pool gate or door to the pool area is opened. It sounds when someone is entering the area unaccompanied by an adult or the pool owner. When someone opens those doors without permission, the alarm sounds, but there's a temporary bypass button that allows adults to temporarily disable the alarm for 15 seconds. This unit includes 2 pairs of magnetic contact sensors and a remote bypass button, so it can be used at multiple entry points. Number 3. Pool-Eye Above Ground Pool Immersion Alarm. The Pool-Eye Above Ground Pool Alarm is our pick for best pool alarm for above ground pools because it is easy to install and also has less false alarms than other pool alarms. With other pool alarms, there is always the chance for false alarms, as standard entry alarms can be set off by high winds or rain. However, this pool alarm has a water motion sensor that features subsurface wave detection, so it doesn't pick up that movement. This pool alarm has adjustable sensitivity, and can detect when an object that weighs 15 pounds or more enters the water. You can adjust this sensitivity directly on the unit, which is also where you can shut off the alarm. Installation of this device is simple, since it is battery powered and is installed using the included hardware under the top ledge of steel wall pools. Number 4. Blue Wave NA4212 Pool Watch Pool Alarm System. The Blue Wave Pool Watch Pool Alarm is the best pool alarm for in-ground pools because it has a loud alarm and is easy to install. This pool alarm has a loud siren so it is easy to hear should someone or something unexpectedly fall into your pool. With a 101.3 decibel output, it is about as loud as a car horn, so you won't risk not hearing the alarm since it sounds on both receivers. This standard entry alarm detects objects that at 18 pounds or more than they enter the water, but this means that it may miss out on any smaller objects. If your pet weighs less than 18 pounds, for example, it may not detect its entrance into the pool. When the alarm does go off, you can easily turn it off via the in-pool alarm by switching it to the off position. Number 5. Cone Smart Floating Pool Safety Alarm System. If you're looking for a pool alarm that is worth the splurge, Lifebuoy's Cone system is the best pool alarm for the job. It has smart features, plus advanced sensors to keep your family safe. The Cone system comes with a floating pool unit and a home unit. This pool alarm can connect with your Alexa or Google Assistant, and is controlled via an app on your smartphone, so you can have an eye on your pool safety no matter where you are. You can set the level of sensitivity that you'd like the in-pool unit to detect, which comes in handy when there are strong winds or a rain, but you don't want to venture outside to adjust the alarm manually. It covers an area about the size of a typical residential swimming pool, 20 feet by 40 feet, though its use isn't limited to a standard pool. Please like, comment, share, subscribe and hit the bell notification. That brings us to the end of our review and buyer's guide. Hope to see you in the next video. Let us know in the comments what is your favorite one and we hope you like this video. If you want to know the product price, do check out the description box. Thanks for watching.